Dobrze jest znać kogoś, na kim można polegać. Pewnych zasad gry po prostu trzeba przestrzegać. Ktoś ci kiedyś pomógł, wypadałoby odpłacić. Więc nie udawaj kogoś większego, lepszego, bo u chłopaków szybko możesz w oczach stracić. Jedno co ci powiem, traci się, nie traci, nie traci. Szacunkowo tu gości, jedno przekonanie, my to wiemy wspólnymi siłami. W jedną rośniemy, co do rzeczy wartych wysłuchania. Robimy co możemy, masz pytania? Jaśnie się już nie da, kiedy pomocnej dłoni potrzeba. Daleko nie muszę jej szukać, wystarczy.
Znów spotykamy się w doborowym składzie.
Yeah, homie, I thought we told you. We been fucking local, Cypress Hill, D12, bitch. I'm a little bit off the chain, call me insane, but the fact remains that I'm a psycho. Better get it through your brain when you say my name, never say it in vain, cause I'm a psycho.
Fucking crazy, we'll fucking snap in a minute.
I'm a motherfucking omen. I bow down to no man. Split a nigga open, killing folks compulsive. A soldier with a motive, scrotum big as boulders. I hold them, then unload on you, put it on a poster, so everyone can notice who was focused on us poking. They nose in our business, hoping that I don't come smoke them. No one knows my notions or emotions, I'm a vulture. You niggas close to croaking any moment, and I know when I can fuck the culture up. Probably rap, a maniac with anxiety attacks. I don't wanna chat, speak when you spoken to, and I don't have to read a fucking magazine or quotable to notice what you hoes are
We
doing.
all soldiers, we move as a unit, we all roll up and show up at your residence, light your front door up. Get scared, life ain't fair, and I'm prepared to blast you just as fast as Drake and say hell yeah. So watch what you say, cause it can happen either today or the next minute. I can draw on a heater or spray and I'm dead serious. You can be dead, period, end of story. I'm on your porch with a gun and your son sipping a 40. Nobody can hold me, I does it all by my lonely. I stump your head when you awake, you be looking like Gumby. Aftermath and shady bitch, you can read it and weep. You see my poster in the hood for the G of the week.
I'm a little bit off the chain, call me insane, but the fact remains that I'm a psycho.
You know what? I am crazy as hell.
Better get it through your brain when you say my name, never say it in vain, cause I'm a psycho.
Nigga, I'm about to snap in any minute, nigga. Evacuate.
They found Saddam, but they ain't gon' find me. I be under a tree in buttfuck Tennessee. And I don't know too much about my daddy, except be spit in my face and fuck me in the fanny. I ain't a racist, I just hate whites, fags and dykes, blacks and transvestites. 13 years old, enjoying the fucking game. Hearing in my ass cheeks, feeling the fucking pain. Am I insane? Who really knows? 'Cause any second, my temper can fucking blow. I get colder than
I didn't know all that. Girl, I perform for you like a porn star. Till you had enough, then I just need a little bit more. New music, new mood, new position, new erotic sounds, it's going down. Now listen, I can hear your heartbeat, you sweating. I can paint a perfect picture, I get deeper and deeper. I told you I'd get you, I'll work that, murk that, just the way you like it, baby. Turn a quickie into an all-nighter, maybe. The sex vibe, you match my sex vibe, baby. You moving as fast as a NASCAR ride. Switch gears, slow down, go down, whoa now. You can feel every inch of it when we intimate. I use my tongue, baby. I leave you sprung, baby. I had your head spinning, saying 50 something crazy. Yeah.
You're moving too swift. You can't keep up the pace, might not finish the race. You do it now before it's too late to switch. Like how you make an Impala lift, but this ain't a car, this your heart, and it's hard to be fixed. You gon' break it if you don't downshift, and I know you get
the place where you can be free.
Maybe we can join the crowd. Life is full without sound. Where the crazy people meet on the street.